Hello, this information is going to all the civilians of the northern Jonglei and any part that the government is planning to launch the war in. And the reason why they were coming yesterday and warn us is because they are going to use chemical weapons that they used in 2013 and 2014. And these chemical weapons, they make people throat dry and then you die. So, and then also it's kill people by when you smell it. And this is the chemical they are going to use. And the reason why Lul Raikon was coming to warn you was because he wanted to do what? He wanted to make sure when people die, they will have already warned the civilians. So please, the government is going to use very bad machineries, very bad chemical weapons that are going to kill a lot of people. The government have decided to poison the Jonglei state, the Jonglei region. So we all need to know that the government, anybody in Jonglei area, whether you're from which part, as long as you're from Jonglei, yes, the government have decided to finish their mission, their last mission of killing everybody. And this is what that is going to be there. We want the civilians to be alive. We want the world to know that the government of South Sudan, just like what was said by Ezekiel Lol, that they care about their position, they care about Salva Kiir being in power. They don't care about South Sudanese, they don't care about the civilians, they don't even care about the SSPDF. That is the reason why they lied to SSPDF. They gave SSPDF fake money. They did not just give them fake money in 2026 because they can go to war. They also gave them fake money in 2014. And we have soldiers that can come out and can tell us. So please, my people, know that the government is carrying chemical weapons as they're coming. Chemicals that are going to kill you, are going to poison you. So know as they are coming to poison you. And to the UN, to the IGAD, to the African Union, to the world, to Trump. How can the whole world watch one person who is dictator killing people, killing innocent children, burning women alive, killing livestock, and turning tribes against each other? South Sudan have been in war for 4,400 days so far. So please, we want the world to come into our rescue. It is nobody is safe in South Sudan, including our chickens and our animals, our livestock. They don't care about children. They now went even to livestock. That's how heartless the kind of a government we have in South Sudan. So please, I am warning the civilians that please, the government that is coming, the SSPDF that have been sent, they have been sent with chemical weapons. Ane, shemari, neidi altibe, kume mi yaja, ke chemical mabinana, ke weapons. Chemical ito mo ito tomo ke waduash, na kena ken kerel, na kena mo ike ngwash. Moito to yake duaikon ke 2014, yake duaikon ke 2013. And this is the same thing that is going to happen again. So, gora radun ke piu, biaradun muid piu, biaradun gor shak, so that in case hikelel bimal the shak bimal ke piu, betita ba ilonga wo ba ishof a wall of bibeno. Loane ko the obana rodan gang, ne me ya gor odi ba kon tu. Kayendu ngara, kuma be ke odi banaba tu. That is the mission. So, konohane rodan, konohane teodan, konohane ojinubo Sudan men mafi, badil timogwa mabane shengten, please, loane kudagang, gur shak, kukala shak powder, kukala shak timpiu, kukala piu. Bi piu become wike mile, become wike sukar, and then bako lady, bako luak and ka situation etantin, bana markel ka kustan. Biate kamal, lo hakut ke gang.